2IN1 Magnetic Trailer Alignment Kit. Features bright yellow foam balls for day use, and red flashing LEDs for night. Strong magnet attachment. Place on your metal hitch and coupler to keep the markers in place. Adjustable height. Telescoping sections extend to 41 inches tall. Convenient. Stainless steel sections collapse down to 7-1/4 for easy storage. Battery power. Requires 3 PCs of AG 3-button call batteries included. Top reviews from the United States. Time saver. I have a small camper and I tow it with my Jeep. My hubs and I are still new to trailer towing over the last 1.5 years. He usually hitches up the trailer, but this time he was out of state and I needed to take it in for repairs. I have a backup cam, but it sits behind the spare. I can't see the hitch. The spare also makes this process more difficult because the trailer hitch just barely fits underneath it. You gotta get it just right. I placed one of these on the mounting bracket for the cam and the other behind the ball mount hitch on the trailer side. I only had to extend the one on the trailer side. It took twice backing up, lining these yellow balls up until they touched, and I had this trailer hitched up in less than 10 minutes by myself. Pretty proud of myself. It took me more time to prep the camper for the trip than it did hitching it up.